Welcome! Today we are finding equations and x-intercepts, also known as roots and zeros, of a function. So let's start with this one. Given the equation, we're supposed to state the x-intercepts. Sometimes they will call these roots, and sometimes they will call them zeros. So there's a lot of terminology for finding the same thing. So roots or zeros. So if you ever see find the roots, they're talking about x-intercepts. Find the zeros, again, x-intercepts. So this one here is what they call factored form. Everything's all written out already. And so we're just going to move forward and set each part, including that part, equal to 0, because to find the x-intercept, y is 0. So I have 0 equals all of this stuff. So 0.2x equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. And then we just go ahead and solve them all. So this one's going to be negative 4, this one will be 3, negative 1, and this one will be 0. When they're asking you for x-intercepts, you should always write them as ordered pairs. All right, here's another type of problem that is from yesterday's skill building, but I want to show you something on this one that wasn't in yesterday's skill building. So given these two x-intercepts, we're supposed to state a possible equation in standard form, and that means we should have no fractions or decimals. So I start with going y equals, putting them back into their factored form or parenthesis form, as such. So if it's negative here, it's positive. If it's positive there, it's negative. Next, we need to go ahead and FOIL this. So we have y equals x squared minus 1/2 x plus 3x minus half of 3 is 1/2. Or you could leave it as 3/2. All right, so now we're going to put like terms together. And now finally I need to get rid of the decimals. So I'm going to double everybody. So y equals, and I'm doubling everybody on the x's here, 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So this is an equation in standard form that has these two for intercepts.